Welcome everyone. So today we will discuss some questions related with the activity which we discussed last time, which is of the topic of chromatography. So first question is, what do you observe on the filter paper as the water rises on it? So we discussed in that activity, that means how to perform this chromatography technique to know whether a dye is a mixture or it is a pure substance. So what we did, we took a filter paper. On a filter paper we placed one a tiny spot of ink, and we know that ink is a mixture of dye and water. So we placed one spot of tiny spot of ink on filter paper, which is approximately 3 centimeter above the lower edge, and then we just suspended this filter paper in a jar containing water, and the level of water it should be below than the level of the spot ink spot where the level of the ink where we have placed the spot of ink on filter paper, like it is shown in the figure also. So there you can refer. So what will happen, that means when we will leave it like that, we will observe that water, it will start rising. It will start rising on the filter paper. This is because of the capillary action, and you might have also observed this at home, that if you are dipping a piece of cloth or a piece of paper, then you will find that water will eventually rise. So this is because of the capillary action. Now the dye which is present in the ink which we have taken, so that dye is water soluble in nature. So what will happen, when the water will rise and when it will reach to the spot, to the ink spot where dye is there, then dye, as it is water soluble, it will dissolve in water, and then dye will also start rising with water on the filter paper. So the first question is that, what do you observe on the filter paper as the water rises on it? So as the water rises on the filter paper, we will observe that dye, as it is water soluble in nature, it is also rising on the filter paper with water. Second question, what do you obtain? Do you obtain different colors on the filter paper strip? So the answer for this question is yes, we will obtain different colors on the filter paper strip, and the reason behind is that because dye is a mixture of two or more than two different colored components. So when dye, it will rise with water on the filter paper, then after some time, when this activity will be over, when this experiment will be over, we will find that two, or if the dye is having two components only, if the dye is a mixture of two components only, then we will find at the end of the experiment that two colored components, they are shown at different heights on the filter paper. So the answer for this is yes, we will obtain different colors on filter paper strip. Then third question is, what according to you can be the reason for the rise of the colored spot on the paper strip? So the answer for this question is, first of all, the first point for the answer for this question is that dye is water soluble in nature. So when water is reaching where the ink spot is present, then the dye of the ink, it is water soluble in nature, so it will dissolve in water, and as water is rising on the filter paper, so dye is also rising on the filter paper with water. So that is the first point of this answer. The second point of this answer is that dye is a mixture of two or more than two colored components. Suppose the dye here, I am taking that this dye is having two components only. So dye here, it is a mixture of two colored components. So what we will so the reason is that at the end of the experiment or activity, we are getting two different colored components at different height on the filter paper. So what is the reason behind this? The reason behind this is that the component of the dye which is more soluble in water, it is rising faster than the component of dye which is less soluble in water. We know that different substances, they are having different solubility. We discussed this thing when we were discussing about the term solubility and then concentration and everything, which is a part of solution. There you can refer to. So there we discussed that different substances, they have different solubility. So here, if dye is a mixture of two or more than two different components, then definitely different components, they will be having different solubility, and that is why the component which is more soluble in water, it will rise faster, and at the end of the experiment, that component, it will appear at the greater height then the other component which is less soluble in water, it will not travel faster, it will travel slower than the other component, and at the end of the experiment, the spot of that component we will get on the you can say below the first one. The height will be less than the first component. So this is about the chromatography, the questions related with chromatography. And here also the paragraph which is given just below these questions, there also the explanation is given for these questions. First thing, the ink that we use has water as the solvent and the dye is soluble in it. As the water rises on the filter paper, it takes along with it the dye particles. Usually a dye is a mixture of two or more colors. The colored component that is more soluble in water rises faster, and in this way the colors get separated. So in this paragraph, if you have understood the explanation which I have given you, then in this paragraph also they have also given the answer of all these three questions which is given above this paragraph. Just they have not given in so much detail as I have explained. So that is why you just understand the explanation first, and then if you will go through this paragraph, then it will be much clear to you. So this is about the you can say the detailed explanation of chromatography technique. Whatever things we have discussed in activity, that is the detailed explanation of the activity. So this is for today. Next time we will be discussing about the application of chromatography. Chromatography is having a very wide application, so that we will be discussing next time. Thank you.